ari-arian sa ibang bansa.
The reports of properties of politicians abroad is shocking. You will see list of properties in Spain, France, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Australia. And you would be surprised, some of these politicians are neophyte politicians. To have amassed so much money to buy properties abroad. Relatives with golden visas, kapatid, pamangkin, tatay, nanay, easily $500,000 to invest in a golden visa. And you would be surprised, before they were politicians, they had nothing, no properties at all, not even $500,000 in their bank account.
Ayon pa kay VP Sara, dapat ipatupad ang konkretong solusyon laban sa katiwalian mula sa paggamit ng teknolohiya hanggang sa mas matibay na feedback mechanism. Naniniwala siya na kapag hinarap ng direkta ang korupsyon, mas marami ang mamumuhunan sa Pilipinas, lalago ang kalakalan at masisiguro